Okay, this is a recently finished layout. From start to scratch, about 3 weeks. Got 2 lift-up bridges, and I got a lower bridge for the roadway. A lot of woodland scenics buildings. A couple custom buildings here and there. Like this is one of mine. I made this years ago. Still some old stock. Got some crossing gates for the Y right here. Got a big signal bridge from Z Stuff. Nice little downtown. It's pretty cute. Small little yard right here. It's nice. Altoona, nice shed right there. The trains. On this side, walking down, some more woodland scenics buildings. And we left the road closed